Take a look at this one. This is Thirsty Whale up in Minocqua. This is all one piece, custom cut. You can see the angle up to that seam there. That's one piece. Smaller piece up front here. Notched in around the pole. A little island here. And this is one piece from there to here. Oh, they said to notch in a little bit. Look how gorgeous that is. One of the most complicated designs there is, but we can do it here at Badger Mats. They absolutely love them. Easy to clean, comfy, and reduce trip hazards.